This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make brick red color paint using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our essential supplies: primary red, brown, and a tiny bit of black or yellow paint. You'll also need a mixing palette, some brushes, and a real brick or a good reference image to help you match the color perfectly. This simple method will guide you through creating that classic, earthy red hue. To begin, place a generous dollop of primary red paint onto your mixing surface. This vibrant red will form the foundation of our brick color. Next, introduce a small, controlled amount of brown paint. Mix these two colors together completely. You should observe the red transforming into a deeper, more subdued hue, moving closer to our desired brick tone. Now, to truly capture that earthy brick essence, we'll introduce a very small amount of black paint. Just a tiny drop will do to deepen the color without making it too dark. If you prefer, a small touch of dark brown can also achieve a similar rich, muted effect. Blend these additions thoroughly, watching as your paint develops a more complex and authentic brick red appearance. The final step is all about fine-tuning. Hold your mixed paint against a real brick or your chosen reference image to assess the match. If it's too dark, add a bit more red. If it's too bright, incorporate more brown. For a touch of warmth, a tiny speck of yellow can be introduced, or a minuscule amount of black can deepen the tone further. Adjust until you achieve your perfect brick red.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.